We know with two high safeties, it could be cover 2, cover 4, or cover 6. Okay? Now, the cornerback depth, we'll call that the contour of the defense, right? The contour will tell us what exact coverage it is. So, again, 2 high safeties equals 2, 4, or 6. Cornerbacks playing at about 5 yards generally means cover 2, right? So, 2 high safeties plus corner playing 5 yards is cover 2. 2 high safeties plus cornerbacks playing press. You know what coverage this is? No. I didn't tell you this. I lied. It's still cover 2, but it's 2-man. So if they're at 5 and under, it's cover 2, which is zone, or 2-man, which is it's too high, but everybody else is playing man. So at 5 yards is cover 2. Anything up is like 2-man. So now we got cornerback depth here. We'll call this about 7 or 8 yards. Back them up a little bit. Right? So now we got 2 high safeties, and our cornerbacks playing 7, 8 yards. What coverage do we got? What's the next one in the order? Right? Okay, so we got cover 4, right? So in cover 4, there's going to be 2 high safeties, and the cornerbacks are going to be playing a little bit deeper. Do you know the jobs in cover 2 versus cover 4?
Cover 4 is down, right?
Yeah, so it's cover 2 though. Okay, and if you don't know, I'm here to tell you, right? This is cover 2 zone, right? When the cornerbacks are right here, that means their job is the flats. I got everything short, all right? If you play Madden at all,
Yeah.
you see those light blue bubbles?
Yeah.
That's the flats, okay? So whenever somebody got the flats, that means I got anything short in this area, this 5-yard area zone, even anything back there is me, okay? Same thing over there. Now when they're playing this depth, cover 4, that means that I got, in cover 4, they're splitting the field into what?
4.
Into 4, right? The deep. They're splitting the deep into 4. So I got this quarter. He has this quarter. He has this quarter. And he has this quarter of the field. We'll talk about the back in a minute. But right now, let's just talk about the base of the coverage, right? Because it's important. And then once you know this stuff, the basics of it, you'll know where to look. And it's important, right? So we have to get that part early. And cover 2, these guys have the deep half. They have to split the field in half. But in cover 4, they have help down here. So they can split the field in 4. Right? Now let's talk about cover 6 real quick. 6 is where it gets a little confusing, but it's not too crazy. Leave that one there. And I'm going to bring this up to 5. When it's too high and the cornerback's at 5, what coverage is that? Cover 2, right? What's it when it's 2 high safeties and the cornerbacks are playing back there? Okay, so what's 2 plus 4? Okay, so if you have 2 high safeties and one cornerback's playing at 5 and one cornerback's playing at 7, 8. So if one side looks like cover 4 and one side looks like cover 2, we call that cover 6. They call it quarter, quarter, half. Because he has a quarter, he has a quarter, and he has this whole half. Right? So that's why they call it quarter, quarter, half. It's another term for cover 6. Does that seem a little overwhelming?
Not really.
Okay, so that's 2, 4, and 6, right? So put the cornerback where it would be if it was cover 2. Okay, where would they be if it was cover 4? Okay,